Hey everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add or remove members in a Signal group. First of all, open up the Signal application on your smartphone and tap on the group chat you want to manage. Now, once you open the group chat, you will be able to see Invite Friends tab. Tap on it to invite the friends to your group. If you want to require an admin to approve new members joining in the group, you can toggle on the button right next to this option. If not, leave it unchecked and tap on Enable and Share Link. Now a link will be generated automatically. You can tap on the Copy Link button and share it with any friend you want to invite to the Signal group. Once your friends accepts the group invite, they'll be able to get in the group. You can go ahead and open up any social messaging apps, select a contact and paste in the invitation link. Send the message by tapping on the send or the arrow button at the bottom right. And once the contact accepts your invite link and joins in, they'll be added to the group. Now, if you want to remove members from your Signal group, first of all make sure that you are the admin of the group. Only admins will be able to remove members. If you're not one, you'll need to ask one to do it for you. Simply go ahead and open up your group in which you are an admin and then tap on the group name at the top of the screen. Now scroll down and under the Members tab, select the member you want to delete. Now, in the pop-up, click on Remove from Group and confirm the removal by tapping on Remove from Group once again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to remove the person from your group. And that's it. That's how you add or remove people in a Signal group. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more useful how-tos like this. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.